diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't.
Welcome back to the Diamond Trade. I'm your host, Ms. Diamonds, and today we're talking directly to the future of this industry. If you're listening because you want to work in diamonds, not just admire them, if you're curious about where the real jobs are, and if you've ever wondered who actually makes the diamonds that end up on hands, in vaults, and under microscopes, then today's episode is for you. Because here's something most people don't realize. Diamonds aren't really made at the mine. They're made in the factory. Mining may uncover the rough, and retail may sell the sparkle. But diamond manufacturing is where skill, risk, and transformation live. This is where stones become valuable. This is where most careers begin. And this is where the global diamond industry truly operates day to day. So today, we're stepping inside the factory, not just to name companies, but to understand how diamond manufacturing actually works, who leads it globally, and what it means if you want to be part of it. Before we get into company names, let's ground ourselves in one important idea. When we say diamond manufacturing, we're not talking about mining, and we're not talking about retail. Manufacturing is the space in between, the most technical, most human, and most skill-driven part of the diamond pipeline. This is where rough diamonds are studied, planned, cut, shaped, polished, checked, rechecked, and prepared for grading. Every decision matters. Every fraction of a millimeter affects value, and every mistake costs money. Manufacturing companies buy rough diamonds and take on all the risk of turning them into something the market will actually pay for. That's why manufacturers, not miners or retailers, employ the majority of the diamond workforce worldwide. And when we talk about manufacturing today, we have to start in one place. If diamonds had a factory capital of the world, it would be Surat, India. More than 90% of the world's diamonds pass through India at some point in their manufacturing journey. Not because it's cheap, but because it's skilled, specialized, and deeply experienced. In Surat, diamond manufacturing isn't just an industry, it's a way of life. One of the most influential companies in this space is Kiran Gems. Kiran is best known for manufacturing small diamonds, Melli, at enormous scale. But what makes Kiran important isn't just size, it's systems. Their factories are designed for consistency, efficiency, and repeatable excellence. This is where thousands of cutters learn discipline, precision, and production flow. For many people in the industry, Kiran isn't just a company, it's where they learned how manufacturing really works. Another name you'll hear constantly is SRK Group. SRK represents a slightly different philosophy. While they also operate at scale, SRK is known for blending technology with craftsmanship. Planning software, advanced rough analysis, and ethical transparency are central to how they operate. SRK has built a reputation not just for polished diamonds, but for developing people. Many professionals who start at SRK go on to leadership roles across the industry because they learn how to think, not just how to cut. Then there's Hari Krishna Exports, a company often cited as a model employer. Hari Krishna is deeply invested in long-term manufacturing excellence. They focus on precision cutting, strong quality control, and, importantly, worker development. Training programs, education initiatives, and stable career pathways are a big part of their culture. For someone entering the industry, Hari Krishna represents what sustainable diamond manufacturing can look like when companies invest in people, not just output. As cutters gain experience, many move into companies that emphasize refinement and consistency at a higher level. Venus Jewel is one of those names. Venus is known for producing beautifully finished polished diamonds with strict internal quality standards. This is where cutters fine-tune their craft, learning how subtle adjustments affect brilliance, symmetry, and final grading outcomes. Then there's Rosy Blue, which occupies an interesting space in the industry. Rosy Blue is both a manufacturer and a distributor. That means employees don't just learn how diamonds are made, they also learn how they move through the market. This kind of exposure is incredibly valuable for people who want to understand the business side of manufacturing, not just the technical side. Now let's shift to Antwerp. Antwerp isn't where most diamonds are cut anymore, but it remains one of the most important manufacturing brains of the industry. This is where planning, valuation, and high-level decision-making happen. One of the most respected names here is KGK Group. KGK operates manufacturing facilities in India, but its leadership, planning, and training influence are deeply tied to Antwerp. What makes KGK special is how it develops well-rounded professionals, people who understand cutting, quality, logistics, and market expectations. Antwerp is also home to smaller, specialized manufacturing houses that focus on complex stones, fancy shapes, and high-value planning. These environments are highly selective, but they represent the peak of technical diamond manufacturing expertise. Israel's diamond sector may be smaller than it once was, but its influence remains outsized. Israeli manufacturing companies are known for handling large, complex stones and using advanced planning technology. Many of the systems and methodologies used globally today were refined here. For professionals who enjoy problem-solving, innovation, and technical planning, Israeli manufacturing firms offer a very different and very demanding experience. As the industry evolves, manufacturing has also expanded into China and Southeast Asia, particularly in connection with jewelry production. Companies like Chow Tai Fook operate massive internal manufacturing facilities that handle both diamonds and finished jewelry. These environments are industrial, highly organized, and focused on consistency at scale. For some professionals, this integrated model offers exposure to the full journey, from loose diamond to finished piece, all under one roof. Finally, we have newer manufacturing regions like Botswana and Canada. Botswana has made a conscious effort to keep diamond value within its borders, investing in local cutting and polishing operations. These companies focus heavily on skill transfer and workforce development. Canada, on the other hand, supports smaller, highly specialized manufacturing houses that emphasize traceability, precision, and ethical sourcing. These are high-skill environments with a strong emphasis on quality over volume. If you want to enter the diamond industry as an employee, manufacturing companies are where you should be looking. This is where skills are learned, careers are built, and reputations are earned. People often start in entry-level roles: polishing assistants, quality control trainees, production coordinators, and grow into planners, supervisors, and leaders over time. Manufacturing teaches you how diamonds really work. Today, we stepped away from the mind and the showroom and into the place where diamonds truly become diamonds. Diamond manufacturing companies are the backbone of this industry. They carry the risk, apply the skill, and create the value that everything else depends on. If you're serious about working in diamonds, this is where your journey begins. Thank you for joining me on the diamond trade. If this episode helped you understand the industry more clearly, share it with someone who's learning too. Subscribe, leave a review, and keep asking questions, because in diamonds, knowledge is everything. I'm Ms. Diamonds. Until next time, keep learning, keep polishing, and keep shining.